Jewellers management with us. Thangamayil.
Yes, we do. We have Thangamayil Jewellers with us. In fact, over the last couple of trading sessions, there's been a deep gash in the stock price after a big move that we've seen earlier as well. So, just to talk about their numbers itself, the gold price decline is something that has hurt their margins this time around. They had alluded to a weakness in their second quarter because 25% of their gold is still unhedged, and as a result of which the EBITDA of the company fell by 27% despite a 22% jump in their revenue, and the net profit has halved. We have the management with us. Joining in on the phone, Mr. S.M. Lakshmanan, who's the Vice President Finance and Accounts, joins in. Thanks a lot, Mr. Lakshmanan, for joining in. You had alluded to weakness in the margins in the second quarter. The question is, how is demand in the third quarter ahead of the festive season? And what kind of margins are you looking at in the third quarter? Do we see some sense of improvement?
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. Thangamayil Jewellery has achieved the highest quarterly turnover in Q2 FY 23-24, 992 crore rupees. In fact, for the first time in the company's history, Q2 has done Q2 sales has outperformed the Akshaya Tritiya quarter, which tries to indicate that the sentiments are bullish, market reception is highly encouraging, and we are looking forward to having a fantastic festive season as well as the Q3 sales numbers. And as far as the first half is also concerned, this is the highest half-yearly sales in the company's history, 1,951 crore rupees, expecting to become 4,000 crore rupee company by March 2024 in terms of sales. As far as the margin is concerned, yes, but for the gold price variation impact across the Q1 and the Q2, at the half-yearly level, the company's operating margin, EBITDA, stands at 5.15%. It has been sustained, maintained, and the company is confident of maintaining, sustaining, even bettering the margin in the quarter to come.
You said you are looking at 4,000 crores of revenue in this year. Strong festive season is what you're expecting. Last year, you did revenues of a little over 3,150 odd crores. On margins, Mr. Lakshmanan, I didn't get your guidance because the last quarter was 10%, that's Q1. This quarter is 2.3%. What do you think you will end this year in terms of margins?
Okay, without sharing a guidance, I'll be able to give that confidence that the EBITDA margin for the first half, it stands at 5.15%, 5+%, as compared to last year's 4+ levels. And the company will be able to maintain or even better the EBITDA margin somewhere close to 6% levels.
All right, so margins go from just sub 5% in FY23, 4.9%, to around 6%. What is the same-store sales growth that you target in the second half? The first half, same-store sales growth was close to 26%. And how many stores will you open in the next 6 months?
Yeah, I will talk about the expansion in the two aspects. In the Q2, we have launched one new showroom, and in Q3 till date in October as well as on 1st of October, we have launched 3 more new showrooms, taking the present total to 56. By January 2024, we will be opening 3 more new showrooms. And before entering Chennai in 2024, another 5 showrooms. So before entering Chennai, 8 more new showrooms are on the pipeline. This is about the new showrooms. As far as the relaunches are concerned, 3 showrooms have been relaunched during Q2, and 2 more have been relaunched during this quarter, Q3. The 3 new showrooms that have been opened in Tamil Nadu are in Ooty, which is the Blue Mountains. Second one is in Coimbatore, we have opened the second outlet, and Silver Boutique jewelry store we have opened in Madurai. So this is about the expansion, and the company is on a very planned, in fact, last time I used the phrase calculatively aggressive path. Yes, we are towards that direction, and we are setting our foot in Chennai in 2024 first half.
Okay, all right. And you told us about that as well. You're going to be moving into, stepping a foot into Chennai. Give us a breakup, sir, between gold and non-gold. And how do you see growth out there? What is the targeted non-gold mix you're looking at, say, by the end of this fiscal and from there on?
Yeah, I would like to talk about two aspects. The previous question that has been asked and not answered is about the same store sales. It is one of the chief characteristics for a company like Thangamayil Jewellery. It is at 26%. It's a very robust growth. 26% SSS is a robust growth, and the company is confident of maintaining SSS at that level. Okay, talking about this gold and non-gold, yes, a non-gold composition. Today it's around 8.5% levels. Company is looking at taking it to 9+ levels in the answer quarters to come.
All right, so you're looking to take it to 10 to 12%.
Excuse me, maybe on a long-term basis, the company will be even taking it to 10+ levels, 10% plus levels of the non-gold.
All right, from 8%, it will go to 10+% in the near future. Just final question before we let you go, Mr. Lakshmanan. You know, diamond and gold prices have been coming down from the highs. Will you have further inventory losses because of this? Because nearly 25% of your gold is still unhedged. What proportion of your diamond is unhedged?
No, it's not about the diamond. Most of the gold, the price variation impact we are seeing in gold, not much in diamond. And to answer your question, yes, the Q3 has started with the gold price uptrend due to the ongoing war. So the first quarter had a gold price variation impact of 32 crore plus, and the second quarter maybe the 18 crore minus. But at a half-yearly level, I have just answered that the company is sustaining the margins, etc. And the Q3 is started on a good note as far as the gold price is concerned. It's now on the uptrend.
Okay, all right, Mr. Lakshmanan, we appreciate you stopping by and giving us all those details. The stock is under pressure today as well as yesterday, but you're sounding optimistic about business, so we wish you well and we look forward to having a chat with you at the end of this quarter as well.